Hi, and welcome back to another studio vlog. My name's Sarah Jane, and alongside my mum I run Fashionably Witchy. It is a small business located in the northeast of England. We do mainly online, but we also go to craft fairs as well. So this week in the studio vlog, we're going to start off by attempting to fix my 3D printer. I have had it for a while now, and to be honest, I haven't had much use out of it. And then it broke. So I'm going to attempt to fix that. Hopefully I can get it fixed. So I can actually get some use out of it. And then we'll see where we go from there. I do have a few other things to fix as well in the craft room. I want to test out the sewing machine I've had for a while this week. Hopefully we'll get both of them done today, the 3D printer and the sewing machine. But I started in the studio very late today, so we'll see what we can do in the next few hours. Time to go get the 3D printer. Okay, sadly I have not been able to repair this, and it has already taken me 2 hours. So much for getting anything else done this afternoon. I was thinking I need to do a part. That's gonna have to wait a couple of weeks. Yeah. Not what I was hoping for anyway. Like I said, it has taken me a couple of hours to do that. It is now 4:30. So I am going to go and clock off for the day. Sort my dog out. Probably make my own tea. And then by the time I sit down, it'll be time to take her out for a walk. So I will check in with you all tomorrow. Hi, welcome. It is Thursday afternoon. Today we're going to just tidy up this office space and possibly tidy up the craft room. Yeah, fingers crossed I get both jobs done today. So let's make a move and get it done. Okay, that is the office space a lot tidier. Jeez, I'm running out of memory. Yeah, I'm gonna go and tidy up the craft room now, I think. Yeah, I've got some bits to move in there, so I'm going to tidy it up. Check back in a bit. you may have noticed I've changed cameras. I've also changed rooms and entered the crafters. Honestly, it looks like a absolute pigsty in here. How I'm getting that done is beyond me. Well, let's show you the current state of it. So, you have a spare bed with a ton of boxes and junk on it. And my little knickknacks over in there. Resin craft table. Everything's literally piled on top of it. That up in the corner is my resins and my alcohol stuff and paint. This, no idea what's going on over here this week. Move you forward a little bit. Over here is meant to be a table for my heat press and my mini one. They are just over there on the floor, or on the footstool. Full shelf full of junk. More shelves full of things that need putting away. Oh, I'm going to put you somewhere. And we're going to get on to cleaning. I think I'm going to start with on the bed. The action from the room. Final result. 2 hours later, we have managed to completely finish the cleaning. Yes, that is full of resin, but it is used on resins. It is used for resin only, so I'm not too bothered that looks a mess still. That is the joy of working with resin. Or it is for me anyway, I get it everywhere. Up there is all my alcohol stuff to clean the resin off. The resin is up there. The thermometer for the room's up there. Over here we have, can we focus on the sewing machine? What, this thing, this is a sewing machine. That's a better camera. Okay, so that's my sewing machine, my mini heat press, my large heat press. This, yes, it's full of resin as well, but that's because it was used for resin, so I moved it over here. So it needs a good sandback and repainted. Honestly, it is years old. I am not bothered. It's so nice and tidy now. I can actually see what's on the top of it. Put some of my sewing stuff up there, a few other little bits and bobs. And then all my heat press stuff is on here. Them foam squares are for blocking out crochet items, more heat press stuff. Just got a little bit of hoovering to do over there. But yeah, my sofa bed is now a sofa couch. Got a hammer on there that needs to be taken back downstairs. A couple of bags that are actually for the bin. This is all the rubbish I pulled out of the room. It is 2 boxes. One small one and the large one underneath is also full. Okay, on that note of a clean craft room. Oh, I love it. Can't wait to get back in here tomorrow. I am done with the day. So I'm going to go and sort my dog out. Seeing she left me ages ago to go downstairs. And I will check back in with you all tomorrow. Whew, I am flushed. See you tomorrow. Hi, it is now Friday. Today I'm going to film some stuff for social media. So I can get that all edited and ready for next week. I am also going to test out my sewing machine that I've had for a good few years. I've just never used it. Where's my laptop? And the battery fell out. The batteries fell out. So yeah, I've got the sewing machine. Because I am thinking of introducing Kindle sleeves, book sleeves, whatever people are calling them these days. Yeah, I want to add some nice witchy ones to them. Oh, keep your Kindle safe, keep your spell books in them. I don't think I'll be making them big enough to fit a grimoire in them, but hey, if you got a nice thin grimoire, I am so not pronouncing that word right. Grimoire, yeah. I don't think it'll be big enough to fit them in, but if you have a thin version of it, then yeah, you could probably put that in it. Honestly, if you're anything like me, it is all on your Kindle, so I'll start on my laptop. First things first though, I'm going to check my to-do list. I'm pretty sure I have missed a few things off that list of things I was going to do. Also, I really need to sort out some memory on this card because it says it's only 21 minutes worth of space. Where's my daddy? And I need to also start editing some of this vlog footage because so far it's about 4 hours long. And I'd not put out footage that long. That is fast though. Let's check this to-do list because I'm pretty sure I'm missing things. So, edit vlog footage. Do some social media filming. I've already said that. Try out the sewing machine. See if that works. Okay, so I actually mentioned everything on my list. So, yeah. Sewing machine first, and it is in the craft room. So let's get on with that. Okay, this is my little sewing machine. Honestly, it is tiny, it is portable, And I've just found a tiny bit of scrap fabric. I don't know if you can see that very well. A tiny little bit of scrap fabric that I've had. That I found in the cupboard. And apparently we are using white thread. Let's bring this needle up. Okay. Is there a threader anywhere? I can't see the thread, no. Okay. I think I have sussed what the problem is with this. Me. That is the problem with it. It is me. Because honestly, I have no clue what I'm doing when it comes to a sewing machine. I have tried playing around with it for a while. The problem is 100% me. I am not sewing machine friendly, or at least travel size sewing machine friendly. So yeah, I am probably going to leave this. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. I have spent God knows how long trying to just sew this to make a square. It is a tiny bit of material. It should have been sewn a million times by now. So yeah, if you ever go sewing machine and wonder what the problem is, there is a 90% chance it's just because you cannot work the sewing machine. Oh, it definitely is in my case. Actually, I cannot get the top thread to catch to the bottom thread. I am not good with names for these things, so top thread, this one on the little bobbin, will not catch to the bottom thread, which is in here. The two different colours as well, so it should be able to be easy to spot it. But yeah, numerous attempts. This is still not sewn into a square. So yeah, apparently I am the problem. Yeah, let's go see what else was on the to-do list for today, because I have spent since about 2 o'clock and it is now 3 o'clock, a whole hour. I have spent a whole hour trying to get the sewing machine to make a square out of a rectangle. All I want to do is fold it in half and stitch it together. But no. If anybody has any tips and tricks on how to use said sewing machine, I would really love to know. Press the buttons on it. It was the light one I wanted off. There we go. It has got a little light on it. It is a nice little sewing machine. If you know what you're doing with them, I imagine it would be a great sewing machine. For me, it is just now an ornament. Or it is for another day anyway. Yeah. Let's go see what else is on my checklist and relocating to the office space. Yeah. I've just sat on my laptop for a minute so I can end the vlog. So yeah, I have messed around with the sewing machine today. Definitely I'm the problem. I also forgot to add in footage of me cleaning up the drawers last night and making them a bit tidier. So I will insert this here. These are the drawers. Yeah, they were completely disorganised, and now my drawers are lovely and clean. I can actually find what's in each of them because I've labelled them all. So that's going to make my life so much easier. Before I was just rummaging through drawers and trying to find things and not actually being able to. So yeah, I did that last night off camera. But yeah, I did get some footage once they were tidied. So that is them, nice and clean. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. If you watched last week's vlog, once again, I am sorry about the mood I was in last week. At least this week I am much more me. As someone with bipolar disorder, that is a weird thing to say. But yeah. This week has been a lot better. Although not everything has actually turned out to plan. I did get more stuff done. So I got productive and I cleaned. I figured out what was wrong with my 3D printer and what I need for that. I'll probably have another go at the sewing machine off camera over the weekend. Try and get that to work. This is a new angle and I definitely like it. I won't be filming much from this angle, but it's not too bad. So yeah. Like I say, I'll probably have another go at the sewing machine off camera over the weekend. That can be my job for that. So yeah, I'm going to leave the vlog here, and I will see you all next week, where we will be prepping for the market coming up on Saturday the 22nd of March. We are at the Mayfair in Hartlepool. It is in Seaton Carew. Please, if you're local, come along. Always nice to spot new faces buying our stuff. Yeah. And I'm hoping the weather stays nice for Saturday. But we live in Hartlepool, so yeah. But we live in the northeast of England, so yeah. The weather will be whatever it is. But still, if you're local to Hartlepool, come along to Seaton Carew. We'll be in Mayfair alongside other sellers of small businesses. So yeah, it is on 11 o'clock. I'll wait till, was it 3? Yep, 3 o'clock. Yeah. So, on that note, I'm going to say bye-bye. And I am going to edit this. So, it's up on Monday night. Yeah. Bye. See you all next week.